Do you have large PowerPoint presentations with lot of slides? Then I'm sure you will find this video useful. Over time, we end up having multiple slide masters and multiple layout masters. Many of them are not being used at all, but they are occupying space. So we created a tool which deletes unwanted layouts. Download the file from the link given. Go to File Explorer, right-click, Properties, and unlock the file. Next, go to PowerPoint, File, Options, Add-ins. PowerPoint Add-ins, go, and then say Add New Add-in and choose this file. Choose Enable Macros when you see the prompt. Now you will see the Add-ins tab. Let's see this in action. Here is a presentation with just one slide. But when I go to View Slide Master, there are many more layouts available which are not being used. If you take the mouse cursor to a particular layout, the tooltip will tell you is it being used or not being used. Next, I want to delete the unwanted layouts. So go to the Add-ins tab and click Remove Unused Layouts. Now the add-in will tell you the count of how many are unused and ask your permission. Click Yes to delete. Now you will see that there is only one layout left. In case you made a mistake, there is no need to panic. At this stage, if you undo, everything will come back. We strongly recommend that first you make a copy of the original presentation and run this tool on the copy so that you don't lose the original at all. The add-in does not remove unused slide masters. Removing unused layouts will reduce file size and improve performance. So try it out and let us know if you like it. Also notice that there are many other useful tools available in the add-in toolbar. Check them out as well. I have a separate video for that. That's it for now. See you next time.